Some verbs in English have different meaning depending on whether they are followed by an ing form or to infinitive. The common verbs are stop, try, forget, and remember. In this video, we will first discuss the difference between stop to do and stop doing. Now, please look at these examples. I stopped drinking coffee. I stopped to have some coffee before heading to the province. What is the difference? In this sentence, I mean, I used to drink coffee before, but I don't drink it anymore. In this sentence, I mean, while I was driving to the province, I stopped somewhere in order to buy some coffee to drink. In summary, we use stop with the ing form to talk about the action that no longer happens, and stop with the to infinitive to talk about the action that someone or something stops in order to do something else. To check your understandings, let's try to complete the following sentence with the correct verb form. They stopped at the petrol station. The car up. The correct answer is to fill. Good job. In the next video, I will talk about the difference between try to do and try doing. Stay tuned. In the previous lessons, we already covered how to use stop to do and stop doing. Try is another verb in the list that changes its meaning when it is followed by an ing and the to infinitive. Now, let's analyze these sentences together. I will try to solve this complex maths problem. If you're feeling stressed, try doing some deep breathing exercises. What's the difference? In this sentence, I mean, I will make serious efforts to solve the maths problems. In this sentence, I mean, if you're feeling stressed, you should make an experiment in deep breathing exercise. In summary, try to do means make efforts to accomplish a difficult task, and try doing means experiment with something or try out a method or a course of action in order to see if it helps with a situation. To check your understandings, let's try to complete the following sentence with the correct verb form. Have you got hiccups? Have you tried a glass of water? That often helps. The correct answer is drinking. Good job. In the next video, I will talk about the difference between remember to do and remember doing. Stay tuned. In the previous lessons, we already discussed the differences between these verbs. In this video, we will talk about when to use remember to do and remember doing. Now, please look at these examples. I remember seeing her somewhere before. Please remember to lock the door before you leave. In this sentence, I mean, I remember I've met that person somewhere before. In this sentence, I am telling someone that he or she needs to lock the door before they leave the place. In summary, we use remember with the ing form to refer to remembering something that already happened in the past. And we use remember with the to infinitive in order to refer to remembering something that you are supposed to do. To check your understandings, let's try to complete the following sentence with the correct verb form. Please remember your appointment if you are unable to attend. The correct answer is to cancel. Good job. In the next video, we will talk about the difference between forget to do and forget doing. Stay tuned. Okay, in this final episode, we will talk about the difference between forget to do and forget doing. Now, please look at these examples. I forgot to lock the door. I will never forget meeting you for the first time here. What is the difference? In this sentence, I mean, I was supposed to lock the door before I left, but I didn't do it because I forgot. In this sentence, I mean, I will never forget that I met that person for the first time there. In summary, we use forget with the ing form to refer to forgetting the action that already happened in the past. And we use forget with the to infinitive to refer to forgetting something that you are supposed to do. To check your understandings, let's try to complete the following sentence with the correct verb form. There's no milk. I forgot more when I went to the supermarket earlier. The correct answer is to buy. Well done. Thank you so much for watching the videos. I hope you find the lessons helpful. Let me know if you have any question. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.